Today we are making vegetable au gratin. For that we need butter. We can take Nutrilite or Amul. Then there is 1 chopped onions, chopped garlic. There is 2 tablespoons of atta, or you can take like either wheat flour or you can take maida, all purpose flour. Then there is your black pepper. This is around 1 teaspoon. Then little bit of roasted garlic, again just for flavoring, and rosemary. You can use it of this company or any other company, Urban Flavors or some other company. Then this is your milk, 2 cups of milk. These are your vegetables which they are already boiled in normal water with little bit of salt. This is cauliflower, beans, your carrots and your peas. Here you have your red chili flakes, which is like half teaspoon, some basil leaves. You can use fresh or dry. Then oregano, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, little bit of some coriander, and we have just kept little water in case the consistency is not like a semi thing. If you feel little bit, you can add. This is the vegetable stock that we had got from the vegetables when we had boiled them. Some salt, and this is your grated cheese. It could be any mozzarella cheese or any other cheese of your choice. Now in a non-stick wok, we will just take one and a half teaspoon of butter. When it's heated, we will just put the chopped coriander. Some garlic. That we had already done, around 1 and a half, 2 to 3 cloves. Then your all-purpose flour or atta. We will stir properly so that no lumps are formed. When you add the onions, then it is always much better so that no lumps are ever formed. Now we will add some, once it's little heated, we will add some pepper to it. Measurements had been given before. The red chili flakes, little bit of the roasted garlic which I had mentioned before, one teaspoon, and we will stir. At this stage we will be adding a pinch of nutmeg, jaifal, and also little bit of ajwain. With ajwain and jaifal, the flavor really enhances. Whether it's au gratin, whether it is a bake, it really improves the taste, and the aroma is also very different. Taking a piece of jaifal, and I will just kaddukas or grind little bit just for flavoring. And little bit of ajwain I have taken. We'll just add these 2 things also to it. Now gradually I will add the milk. Now as you can see that it started boiling. Since the boil has come, now we can add all the vegetables to it. Once the vegetables are done, your carrots, beans, cauliflower, everything is done, we will just stir. Properly. Let the sauce cover all the vegetables properly. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of oregano. We'll add some coriander leaves, some basil, fresh basil, or you can even add the packet basil, depending on whatever you get, whatever is available or whatever you have at home. At last we will add some ketchup to it, 1 teaspoon ketchup, and we will mix it. Since the consistency is perfect, we do not need to add any vegetable stock to it. At last we'll add some salt to it. Salt should be according to your taste. Now we will wait for another boil to come, and once it's done we will pour it in the bowl, Borosil bowl or any other bowl which can go in the baking tray. You can see I have greased it a little bit with a drop of oil. Since we have already, you can see that the bake is done, the au gratin, we will just add some cheese to it, grated cheese, sprinkle it all over, and we will heat it at 180 degrees centigrade in the oven for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, till you see the cheese getting brown. Thank you. If you like it, please kindly, if you like the recipe, please kindly subscribe, click on the like button and forward it. Thank you.